Your next question is, eating which vegetable increases blood? These are your options. A. Cabbage. B. Bitter gourd. C. Spinach. D. Tomato. The correct answer is C. Spinach. Your next question is, which country does not have a single airport? These are your options. A. Japan. B. Sri Lanka. C. Pakistan. D. Vatican City. The correct answer is D. Vatican City. Your next question is, which country has the least number of earthquakes? These are your options. A. India. B. Nepal. C. Bhutan. D. America. The correct answer is A. India. Your next question is, in which country are white elephants found? These are your options. A. Russia. B. India. C. Thailand. D. America. The correct answer is C. Thailand. Your next question is, cuckoo is the state bird of which state? These are your options. A. Kerala. B. Assam. C. Jharkhand. D. Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer is C. Jharkhand. Your next question is, where are most potatoes produced in the world? These are your options. A. China. B. Russia. C. India. D. America. The correct answer is B. Russia.